Hi again, Marcy Davis here from Quick Start Piano, where adults learn by playing the music they love most. And today we're going to look at Adele's Hello. We're going to look at the chorus, and we're going to look at the chords in the original key of F minor. So if you've been practicing in E minor, which one of the beginner's books has that, you'll want to switch to the other video because we're going to look in the original F minor. All right, so the chords for Adele's Hello for just the chorus. We already have another video in E minor because the Super Easy Songbook used that key. But if you're wanting to play along with the actual video and have it in the proper key, the original key, let's take a look at those chords. So the first chord is going to be F minor, F, A flat, C. The second chord will be D flat. You just need to slide your thumb up here. And don't be afraid to put your whole arm towards the keys because our thumbs aren't designed. They're a little bit shorter than the rest. So don't be afraid to move your whole arm. So we've got F minor, D flat. And now we're going to do a switcheroo. We've got A flat, C, and E flat. This is an A flat chord. And then you just need to move your thumb down and use the middle finger for the E flat, G, B flat. Let's do that again nice and slow. So we've got F minor, move your thumb, D flat, A flat, and then E flat. And we just need to add a little bit of rhythm. 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you get to where you can play that along with me, you're ready to start singing or playing along with the Adele video. That's just for the chorus. We'll have the verse in a separate video. Have fun with it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, if you have an idea or a request for a tutorial that you would like to see, maybe a favorite tune or a certain aspect of music that you would like to see demonstrated, drop me a note in the comments. I'll see what I can do.